Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock website on school Chromebook, right? So if you're using the Google Chrome or the Chromebook, you will not able to access some of the website because you have been blocked, right? So how to unblock it? So basically you have to just go to the google.com and on the search bar, you have to type Chrome Web Store and just hit the enter. So Chrome Web Store is basically a website of Google. It's by Google, and here it's an extension which makes our work very easy. So here the Chrome Web Store has been open, and basically on the search bar you can see here, which is on the top left side corner, you have to type read and write, right? So read, and make sure that there is a no space between the words, okay? Read and write, and just hit the enter, guys. And after that, it will take a very few seconds just to load, and here you can see a lot of extensions, right? But basically you have to install only this extension, and this is not installing. You have to just click here, and after that just remember that this is right. So just don't install any other extension, right? So basically in the here it will show option add from Brave or add from Chrome. So right now I'm using a Brave browser, that's why it's showing Brave. If you're using a Chrome browser, then you will see a Chrome, and here you can see read the other information too regarding the read and write, the privacy, reviews and support, and basically if you're concerned about your privacy, right? So you can just read it. And after that you have to click on add from Brave and it will be added. And here you can see you have to just click on the top right side corner. Here you can see this icon, and here you can see that read and write extension has been added, right? So basically you have to just go to a new tab, and you have to paste a link which I have gave you in the description. So this is the link, guys, and make sure that it is proper and just hit the enter. And as soon as you will hit the enter, you will see this kind of information, this kind of interface here, and it will show that you are signing in. And after that, so guys, you will able to see that there a new interface has been opened of the Microsoft. So basically it will say to sign in, but you don't have to sign in, right? In the below you will get an option that is called sign in option. So just click on sign in option, and here you will get the three options. So basically you have to select this one, the GitHub. So sign in with GitHub, and just click on here, and you will be redirected to a new Microsoft page. But here also you don't need to sign up. You have to click on the top option where it is shown icon of GitHub. So just click on here, and after that it is a completely beautiful interface, and basically it will open. So you have to just go to the open source, which is the third option from here. Then you have to click the topic option, right? And here in the topic option, basically you will able to see a lot of options, a lot of apps, right? But here you have to make sure that you are in the topics, and after that you have to scroll a little bit down, and just make sure that we have to find Google, okay? Somewhere in the place of Google, here you will find Google. So you have to scroll a little bit down till you find Google. So we have find Firefox, but we need google.com, right? So scroll a little bit down, and here we got it, guys, right? So this is google.com, and just click on here and it will turn into blue. So right now here you can see this is a Google, and basically we need it, right? So we are going to use it. So how we are gonna use it? So here on the right side you will see option that is www.google.com. so just click on here, and after clicking on it, it will take a very few seconds, and it will redirect to a new page that is google.com. And basically this is what we need, because this is not a normal google.com. This is a new, completely new, and it is not made by, or it doesn't record your data and all that. So if you just want to access any of the website that is blocked, you can just access it from here, and here it will be not blocked. So for example, if I just search any of the website, I will able to open up here. Here you can see that I'm already not signed in into the Google Chrome browser, and it is completely new. So from here you can access any of the website, and here you can see that I have not done any searches, that's why it's not showing me any of the searches. So this is it. This is how you can unblock any of the website from your Chromebook. So this is it, guys. If you found this video really interesting and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.